Hello, in this video I'll be showing you a knit from the Cheviot collection. It has a lovely texture, is open worked, and is embossed. Although there is no chance for relaxing, the structure makes it sufficiently elastic. It consists of 6 rows and 2 loops. These relief buds, an essential of the series, are created in the first 2 rows. The lengthy loops are made in the following 2 rows. The last 2 rows are elastic knit one by one. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. Slip 1 loop with a yarn over. Pull up a long loop from the bottom row of the second loop and slip it. Repeat, slip 1 with a yarn over, pull up a long loop from the bottom row, and slip it. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, knit the loop with yarn over together through the front, and knit 2 together through the back. Make a yarn over loop. It will serve us in the next row to make the long loop. Repeat. Knit 2 together through the front, knit 2 together through the back, and make a yarn over loop. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 3 wrong side, we make the long loops. Knit 1. Drop the yarn over and slip a long loop with a thread in front. Repeat. Knit 1, drop 1, slip 1. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 4 right side, we continue to slip the long loop. Purl 1, slip 1 with a thread from the back. Repeat. Purl 1, slip 1. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 5 wrong side, we knit elastic knit, knit 1, purl 1. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 6 right side, we knit elastic knitting. Purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. As a result, we created this trail of figures element in the first 2 rows. We made the lengthy loops in the following 2 rows, and knit elastic stitch 1 by 1 for the final 2 rows. This stitch is appropriate for winter knitwear and accessories made of thick yarn as well as a light summer variant made of thin cotton yarn. It works well with a thin summer cloak, a winter scarf, or a summer blouse. This is a simple open work stitch that may be used anywhere. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.